Pre-change analysis, or PCA, in Cisco Nexus Dashboard lets you simulate changes before deployment, helping you identify potential issues in advance and fix them before they cause downtime. It compares your intended changes to a known good snapshot, helping you catch problems early and deploy with confidence. In this demo, we'll use PCA to validate a change, adding a new EPG to an existing tenant before applying it in production. We'll be working in this tenant called TN100, where we plan to add the new EPG. With PCA, we'll check whether this change will introduce any risks, violations, or unintended side effects. First, we log into Nexus Dashboard and select Analyze on the left sidebar, then navigate to Analysis Hub and select Pre-change Analysis. At the time of this recording, this feature is available only for ACI environments. To begin, we select Create New Pre-change Analysis, assign a name and fabric, and select a base snapshot that represents our current fabric state. After clicking Next, we define the changes we want to test. This can be done in one of two ways. You can either manually enter the configuration, or you can import a JSON file containing the intended changes. In this example, we're adding an EPG. We could import a JSON file that includes the configuration, or enter it manually by selecting Add Object, specifying the object type as EPG, and defining its parent, such as the associated application profile. We then provide other configuration details, such as domain associations, proxy settings, multicast handling, policy enforcement, and more. The summary screen allows us to confirm the changes that are being made. To confirm, we click Save and Analyze. To save time in this demo, we've already created two PCA jobs. In our case, we're using the JSON method. Notice that the file includes the EPG configuration, including its name, domain associations, and other details, but no contracts are defined. Once we submit the configuration, pre-change analysis runs a simulation to identify potential issues. In this case, the results showed that the new configuration introduces additional anomalies. The earlier snapshot had just 2 anomalies. Now we're seeing 8. That means the proposed changes are likely introducing new issues. 3 of the new anomalies are critical, suggesting a significant impact on network behavior or compliance. We can drill down to see exactly what's new, what's unchanged, and what may have been cleared. When we look only at new anomalies, PCA flags a communication compliance violation. Clicking into the details, we see that the new EPG, EPG3, is not able to communicate with external EPG1 due to missing configuration. This violates an existing policy. The compliance rule states that all EPGs within tenant TN100 must be able to communicate with each other over TCP. Because no contract is defined in the submitted configuration, communication between EPGs is blocked. PCA clearly highlights this issue, raising a flag and identifying it as a compliance violation. Now that we're aware of the problem, we can update the configuration accordingly. We've added the necessary contract, assigning both a provider and a consumer to ensure proper communication. To save time, we've already rerun the PCA job with this updated configuration. This time, the results look good. No new anomalies are introduced and no compliance rules are violated. The simulation confirms that our revised configuration is compliant and ready for deployment. Pre-change analysis enables safe, informed configuration planning, giving you peace of mind that your changes won't cause issues once deployed. It's a valuable tool for maintaining network health and reducing the risk of surprises in production.